Welcome to Alexa's Tech Room. Waterproof, cheaper than the yellow model. HawkEye Tone Handheld Depth Finder with temperature, 300 feet. The item is sold by HawkEye. Product linked in the description below. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. The most versatile handheld depth finder sonar system ever produced. Water depth readings from 1.5 to 300 feet, 5 to approx. 90 m automatic depth range adjustment. Water or air temperature readings which are displayed in degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius on a soft glow backlit LCD display. Inductive switching technology IST allows the unit to be 100 waterproof up to 200 feet approx. 61 m. HawkEye products are manufactured both in the USA and overseas using technology designed and developed with American ingenuity. 4.1 out of 5 stars. This item has a total of 283 reviews. Product linked in the description below. The first review is from Matt Wilbur. Waterproof, cheaper than the yellow model. 4.0 out of 5 stars. This works very well, however. I am too dumb to figure out how to have it not tell me the water temp on the first click, and then tell me the depth on the second click. Sometimes when in a busy diving scenario, it's pretty frustrating to have to once again see that the water's 67th when all I really care about is, say, are we at 30? I had not anticipated that I bought a temperature finder first and a depth finder second. This review is from Mama Twashels. Great product, don't be misled by other reviews. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I don't write reviews often, but I felt compelled to do so after seeing the negative reviews for this depth finder. It's actually a phenomenal product. 5 or so, but had difficulties where the ice was really thick 3 or so. When I got home, I contacted their support again and once again received a quick response with explanations and links to knowledge base articles. Turns out the white ice is air-trapped in the ice, which they said it would not shoot through. More web research indicated that they were telling the truth and not making excuses. Sonar does not travel through the air, just water. So if the ice is black, you are good to go. As far as the unit not working in the holes I drilled where the ice was very thick, it was explained to me that the sonar signal gets blocked from returning to the top of the hole when the ice is thick. Makes sense, as I have the same issue with my flasher. That is why I have to adjust my transducers on my flasher made by another company so that it sits below the ice. I received this depth finder as a Christmas gift and immediately put it to use on my swimming pool. I recently took the product on vacation to the Florida Keys. We rented a boat, so I took the depth sounder with me. It worked great everywhere I tried it. You have to hold the unit vertical to the water. I even took it snorkeling and loved being able to see how far the bottom was away or how far the surface was. I even aimed it at a bridge piling and it told me how far away it was. In summary, don't be turned off by the poor reviews. It's a great product, but it has limitations, all of which are explained in the manual, which I finally got around to reading during my trip to Florida last month. To much of my dismay, it didn't read depth. I received a response within minutes stating that it would not work in a swimming pool, along with a link to a knowledge base article explaining why. So the next day I took it on the ice and was quickly thrilled by its effectiveness if I followed the instructions regarding clearing snow away and using water. I was able to obtain readings directly through the ice so that I could tell the depth before I drilled my hole. I did notice, however, that it had difficulties reading in white ice. More about that later. I drilled several holes and tried it out again in the holes. I did notice that it works great where the ice was not too thick. From the manufacturer DepthTrack's own handheld depth finder with temperature, the DepthTrack's own was designed with the sole purpose of being the most powerful and durable handheld sonar device ever created. Utilizing HawkEye's proprietary DepthTrack's sonar technology, the OWN emits 300-watt sonar pulses 4 times per second, while algorithmic programming virtually eliminates false readings from being displayed on the LCD. 300 watts of sonar transmit power. 200 depth tracks intelligent sonar 14 beam angle. Inductive switching technology makes the unit 100 waterproof to 261 m for diving. Soft glow backlit display. Automatic depth range adjustment. Integrated lanyard. HawkEye Tone Handheld Depth Finder with Temperature. HawkEye Photonic Fish Tracks. Fish Finder with HD Color VirtuView Display. HawkEye Photonics Fish Tracks Portable Dot Matrix. Fish Finder HawkEye Phone Fish Tracks with VirtuView. Icon display. Norchel Boat Boot 2448 can marine cooler bag product specifications. The most versatile hand 5 to 300 air and water temperature backlit LCD VirtuView HD color display dual frequency fish tracks intelligent sonar ISMO digital flasher portrayal fish depth identifier portable or boat mountable VirtuView dot matrix display dual frequency fish tracks intelligent sonar water depth detection fish depth identification and indish depth sounder with air and water temperature includes Airmer Transom Mount HawkEye tanks. 6th indish depth sounder with air and water temperature includes Airmer through hull combination transom mount glue-in-hull transducer gives precise depth readings in feet or meters from 2. When it came time to design the housing, our design team aimed for Unbreakable. 5 to 200 feet at speeds up to 63 miles per hour incorporates an advanced 3-stage depth alarm warning system with programmable shallow and deep water alarms. Keel offset function allows readings to be adjusted for vessel draft, easy touch, algorithmic digital programming, waterproof front face and large illuminated display 65x0. 85 inches comes with a 2-year warranty. Automatic range sensitivity delivers uninterrupted depth readings from 2. Automatic range sensitivity delivers uninterrupted depth readings from 2. 5 to 200 feet, 5 to 200 feet, 8 to 61 m in 110th precision, at speeds up to 60 miles per hour 100. 8 to 61 m in 110th precision, at speeds up to 60 miles per hour 100. Air and water temperature readings to the nearest 110th degree Fahrenheit or Celsius. Air and water temperature readings to the nearest 110th degree Fahrenheit or Celsius. Glare-free display with soft glow backlight. Glare-free display with soft glow backlight. White and black face plates and trim rings cosmetically match a wide variety of helm stations. White and black face plates and trim rings cosmetically match a wide variety of helm stations. Marine-grade plug-play electrical connectors allow for easy maintenance-free installation. Marine-grade plug-play electrical connectors allow for easy maintenance-free installation. Not only does Depth Tracks own utilize Ultra-Thaw ABS plastic for its outer shell, but it also incorporates inductive switching technology IST. 2-year warranty. Depth Tracks own to use. Place the transducer side of the unit in the water. Slide the activation button and instant depth fish and temperature readings will be displayed on the LCD. Includes handheld sonar system, wrist strap, user's guide. IST employs a series of magnets to manage user commands, which allowed the housing of the Depth Tracks own to be designed with no switch holes. Requires 1/9 of batteries. Our passion to provide outdoor enthusiasts with quality products with unsurpassed service through customer-focused innovation. Whether it's radically changing the way you enjoy your favorite pastime, at Norcross customer-focused innovation is not just some fancy corporate slogan, it's the foundation of every product and service that we offer. We consistently stay one step ahead of our competition not by copying what they do, but by continually knocking ourselves off. Norcross is not just some sourcing company who slaps their name on the next product that comes down the pipe. We design, engineer, manufacture, and distribute every product that bears our brand names. Rest assured, when you get a product from Norcross, it's built to last. We guarantee it by giving you a 2-year warranty on everything we sell. The DepthTrack's OWN was designed with the sole purpose of being the most powerful and durable handheld sonar device ever created. Couple this with dual seals on both the battery and transducer caps, and the DepthTrack's OWN is waterproof to depths up to 200 feet. Utilizing HawkEye's proprietary DepthTrack's sonar technology, the DepthTrack's OWN emits 300-watt sonar pulses 4 times per second, while algorithmic programming virtually eliminates false readings from being displayed on the LCD. When it came time to design the housing, our design team aimed for Unbreakable. Not only does DepthTrack's OWN utilize ultra-thaw ABS plastic for its outer shell, but it also incorporates inductive switching technology IST. IST employs a series of magnets to manager user commands, which allowed the housing of the DepthTrack's OWN to be designed with NA-switch holes. Couple this with dual seals on both the battery and transducer caps, and the DepthTrack's OWN is EPIITE waterproof to depths up to 200 feet. Water depth readings from 1.5 to 400. 122 m. Water or air temperature readings. Product linked in the description below. Our first question is from MCG. Does this work well in muddy waters? I'm a scuba instructor who uses this to find depth in local lakes for classes. We encounter zero visibility conditions quite often, however I have not had an issue with the unit working. The only time the reading struggles is if the bottom is exceptionally soft. Product linked in the description below. For more content like this, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you are notified of new uploads. We upload new videos every day. See you next time.